All right, my name is Stephanie Santayana. I'm the product and marketing lead at Orxa Grid, and I actually don't have an energy background. I'm not an electrical engineer or anything. My background is actually in consumer insights, marketing performance, analytics, and data. So I actually really fell in love with the energy sector as I became familiar with a lot of the challenges that they're facing currently, especially at distribution network operators. Ooh, green one. And the challenge that they're facing is that it's become much more complicated. It used to be in the past 100 years or so from generator to the consumer point A to point B. But with low carbon technologies such as wind, solar, and electrical vehicles, it's become much more difficult to manage. And this means that there's a higher risk of power cuts, and it means that there's a higher risk of electricity losses. So what we do is we work with them to help reduce this. And we do this, you have to press really hard. And we do this with a 3-layer solution, which includes data integration, which comes from our sensors that can be placed onto grid and collects real-time data. We do it with advanced analytics, which spot anomalies and events on the grid and notifies people of it using AI. And then we use visualization tools where I spend most of my time, which helps grid operators spot and take action onto events on the grid. We have a really simple revenue model. It's a SaaS revenue model. And the way that we've created it is that the network operator, on average, will save 3 times what they spend on a device and our subscription. So, and it leaves room for us to spend, or for us to have. We are about 18 months old, and in that time, we've completed our MVPs. We've partnered with UK universities and set up pilots in the UK. And we've received our first town scale order where we've installed our devices, and we're working on an innovation project in the UK with a DNO. Our team is really great. We believe that you have to have a holistic view to solve the energy challenge. And trust me, we have a lot of electrical engineers. We have data scientists. Our co-founders, Akshat and Yash, actually come from the electricity sector. And what we want to do with Shell is we want to work together and identify areas that we can have more low carbon technologies on the grid. We can have more better energy schemes with electrical vehicles, and we want to work on grid balancing. And that's it. Thank you so much. Just perfect.